back with a new video. It's been a while. Today I'm going to try out this lawn fertilizer I got from Home Depot. It's a 2904, and my grass has been a little neglected. I haven't been watering it too much. It got a little warm the past week or so, so I'm trying to green it back up and then add some fertilizer to help things along. But there are some bare spots. I want to try to get this grass to grow a little better and see what this fertilizer can do to kind of kickstart it. And then out here in the backyard, still have some bare spots that need work. And yeah, this grass got a little burnt as well from not watering as much as I would have liked to. But I'm trying to rectify that and hopefully can fill in some of these bare spots. So let's get started with applying some fertilizer. And now this bag claims it'll green up in 3 days, 72 hours. So I will check back after I apply it in 3 days, and then I will give updates a week after and maybe 2 weeks after. See how this grass is looking. Okay, I put a pretty aggressive dose of fertilizer on the lawn. So now all I got to do is water it in and then check back. Let's do the 72-hour check back according to the bag and see if there's a difference. But let's go ahead and water this in.